Welcome to Donmar TV News Channel.
The law says that Marcos is qualified to be buried there. As a soldier, they are contesting kung hero ba si Marcos. Wala akong pakialam. Whether hero siya o hindi, pagkasundalo siya dyan siya. Yung hero-hero politika na yan eh. One is the president. Number one qualification, malibing ka. Tapos pangalawa, sundalo ka. Lahat yung nilibing niya sundalo, puro hero yan. At one time or another, kung tumanda sila, they fought for this country. So, kung ako,
aren't you going to meet with the human rights victims?
No.
Or at least representatives?
I will not,
You promised that in the
I
campaign?
cannot argue with you guys. Alam ko yung misgivings ninyo. I cannot argue with you because I'm limited with the law. Whether I favor the opposition or I side with the Doso, yung pamilya na Marcos, I'm limited to what is the law.
Sir, the law
Saan ka
also
ba
says
magpalibing
that
kung panahon mo na kasi doon na lang rin ako sa tabi mo.
but the law also says na kailangan
I will explain it to you once again. I have said it. This issue has divided the nation. Lahat ng mga Ilocano na Pilipino rin may sakit na loob dahil dyan sa ginagawa. Yung mga yellow, kagaya dyan nanay ko, ayaw nila na patay na ang nanay ko tapos yan, politika yun, martial law issue yun. Now, nandiyan na yan. It's a nation that refuses to heal a wound. Lahat ng Ilocano, to the last man to a T, ayaw.
but the Ilocano,
Ayaw nilang ginagawa ng gobyerno. Ako, panahon nandito sa akin, takot sila mag-decide. Whether to side with them kasi gulo. Magulo kayo, I do not care. Ayan ang patas eh. Abogado ako, nagsabi presidente or a soldier. Ngayon sabi hindi siya hero. Who are we to say that? Wala naman tayong panahon ng gera. Panganak lang natin. Who are we to dispute sa mga taong opisya nagbigay sa kanya ng medalya? So why are you insisting na hindi siya hero totoo? Hindi naman stupido yung mga tao ng mga opisya nagbigay sa kanya ng... So that remains a question mark. If there's a question mark, then I decide in favor of the law. Question mark eh. So, what is it? Yung pagkahero na hindi naman lahat ng tao, lahat ng Ilocano say that si Marcos talaga hero. Or there is the law that favors the burial. So, why should I... Bakit pa ako pag dili-dali ibang presidente ayaw? Hero. Hindi hero, di hindi. Sundalo, oko. Maganda siyang presidente. Depends. Almost half of the country says that he was a good president. Lalo na mga Ilocano. O di nasasaktan sila nitong ginagawa ngayon. So hindi nahihil yung... Lahat ng Ilocano, ang sikreto lang, may galit yan.
Pero sir, kung ginaingala na during the campaign, you promised for a referendum to get the pulse of the people regarding the Marcos Buhay.
No, that was an off-the-cuff statement. But the problem is whether I would follow the referendum or not. I would be violating the law if I refuse to bury him there.
if he gets buried, will that unite the nation?
I do not care.
Because you
But
said
that is the law. But I hope that the Ilocanos would now be assuaged that the law is being followed
but they only
sa kanilang
constitute
kapwa
several
Ilocano.
millions out of the 100
No, I don't think so.
million
You know why?
Filipinos.
You know why hindi mag-abot ng milyon yan? Tignan mo pagtakbo ni Bongbong. Ilang diferensya lang sila. It's about 200,000. tapos sabihin ninyo na it's still fresh. Even Bongbong Marcos was, sabi niya, dinaya siya. Baka, kung hindi siya dinaya, talagang manalo siya.
So the election result, Mayor, is one of the parameters.
Well, even then, I said, the number is very minimal. If it's an indication to you that there is no more such thing as a Marcos trauma, just look at the results of the election. It will tell you that si Lenes, naghabol silang dala. Ilan ang boto na ano? It's about 600 to 200,000. On almost a reckless reaction to doon sa kay Marcos noong panahon na siya na president. Ano lang tayo sa yung galit na natin. Because that constitution was not a product of Marcos. He never took part in it. It was already 1935 Constitution. Sila Claro Recto yun. Sila Quinten Paredes. Walang kasalanan itong sumunod. But because nangyari sa atin, yun, ang lahat ng ginawa ni Marcos, although it was not Marcos' Constitution, sinira. Pati ang martial law powers ng Presidente. The martial law powers is subject to review by the Supreme Court and by Congress. Kung mag-declare ako ng martial law at may invasion ngayon o gera, I cannot proceed on and on. Lalo na kung may gulo, pupunta pa ako sa Congress, pupunta pa ako doon sa Supreme Court. If there is anybody who would file a complaint to look into the factual, kung totoo ba. Which you cannot do. Kung magulo ang mundo, kaya nga martial law na para isang tao na lang ang magdirekta. Ngayon, ang problema niyan, kung findings ng Supreme Court at yung findings ng Congress magkalaban, hindi alam ng pulis kung saan siya magbigti. Pati yung mga presidente kung saan siya magdaib. Kung iba ang Supreme Court, magsabi ang Congress, yes, no ito, o no ito, yes itong isa, saan mo ako ilagay? Kaya kailangan talagang palitan yan. But there is a safety measure there. I'll just tell you later. But anyway, papunta doon. So sabi ko, alam mo, piskal ako, kaya kong basahin ang utak ng isang kriminal. 10 years ako fiscal. I could read your mind if it's a criminal mind.